Hello everyone, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to add WhatsApp button on Shopify store. First thing first, go to Shopify admin, then online store, then themes. Click the three dots, then edit code. Open theme.liquid, which found under layout, and scroll down and paste your WhatsApp button code just before. Replace the WhatsApp number with your own, include country code, and customize button color, text, and position on left or right. All you have to do now is save changes and refresh your storefront to see the WhatsApp button. It is 100% free and fully customizable and no dependency on apps, but it requires editing theme code and updates might reset the code you'd need to re-add it manually. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.